Well, I needed some new gloves, and I've always gone with either 5 or 7 mil. I don't know what 6 mil is going to be like. I guess somewhere between there, obviously. But these are black ones, industrial grade nitrile. So these are my favorite type, is the nitrile material. Strong, durable, super flexible. So I've got a fairly large hand. Sometimes I wear the 2Xs, sometimes I wear the extra large. These in an extra large seem pretty decent. The fingers are a little short, I guess, but you get a little bit of wrist there. So depending if you're working on a vehicle or something, I'll take as much of the, as far as it'll go up the wrist. For stuff around the house, that can be annoying for cleaning and stuff. That's not necessarily always necessary, just keeping your hands clean. This 6 mil is a little more than I would use for cleaning. It's pretty durable. Let's jam something into these. So it's more than I would use for cleaning, but it seems, well, I was going to say it seems durable enough for tools. I was able to jab it pretty good with a fork, the back end of a fork here, but I think you can see how much I'm yanking on it here, and no problems. So a direct puncture was possible with the back end of this little spoon or fork, but again, this might be a little bit overkill just for cleaning with 6 mil. Like I say, I've always gone with a 5 mil for cleaning because I don't really need puncture resistance. And then I like a 7 for out in the vehicle with tools and stuff. But this, I mean, I'm saying this is probably doing pretty good. Yeah, so that would keep me clean. I mean, except for that first one where I jabbed it straight in. You know, not much material is going to stop a penetration, but for just getting scraped or jagged or rubbed, it looks like this thing is really abrasion resistant. So I like them. Inspire 6 mil 100 count, good price, delivered straight to your door. I think I might have found a new glove place.